Anyway, we just got a impound call. So I'm gonna roll. Impound call here in the evening. But it's not very far from the house. But we're gonna go over here and hook this car and get it to the yard. We don't do that much nighttime stuff, but if they're close, we'll go get them. That's what we're gonna do now. Anyway, stay tuned. Anyway, we're pulling in right now. I don't know if you can see me, and the light's good enough to see, but pulling in now. I just met up with a security officer. He's actually a sheriff, and he's in uniform, but he's got, somebody's been parking down here. They got a truck trailer. They've been taking up multiple parking spaces on this property, and they're tired of it. They've been stickered and they've been warned, and they refuse to comply. So we're gonna go down here. We're gonna hook something. That's the van there. There's the van. Definitely gonna get something hooked, and then we'll sort out the trailer. Basically, by law, if the vehicle runs, it's operable, you got the right to pay it out if you want to pay it out. It's up to you. If not, I'll tow it. It's a $100 drop fee. That price is set by the state. And if you want to pay the drop fee, you have that option. Okay. It saves you money to pay it.
Que por ley, si lo pone el vehículo y ya como lo tiene amarrado, tiene que pagarle $100 para que lo quite el vehículo. Si no, él se lo va a llevar el vehículo.
Now, I'm not charging you for two, I'm just charging you for one because
Okay,
Okay. And he can pay with, I don't have anybody to run card. Card? Hey, let me call Ashley, see if she can run one. She might can run it. She can probably turn the computer on. Hey, is there any way you can turn a computer on and run a card? They called one in over here at Hall. They've been having some night problems over here parking, and this guy wants to pay it out. The sheriff's over here too. It's 100% legit. He just he's trying to clean up the parking issues they have over here. This gentleman wants to pay it with a card, so invoice number is 85754. Yeah. I'll tell you what, he's right here. You got the card? This is the light. Okay, your card. I'm gonna cut this. They're trying to get everybody to follow the rules. That particular gentleman was a nice guy, working class dude, and probably worked late. He came rolling in, but he's been stickered a couple times. The security officer slash sheriff, he's in charge of making sure the parking and the property's safe, and everybody follows the rules, and that's what he's doing. Just doing his job. A lot of people don't like this kind of towing, but it's done for a reason. That people have to be forced to follow the rules, whether you like it or not. It's just how it is, man. Hey, we're rolling back in. Got another one. This is an older model car. Somebody pulled the sticker off of it, but this property they want it gone. So I'm gonna pull through this gate right here. We're gonna get it. So as we get around the corner, you'll see it. That's it right there. Honda. Yeah, he said Honda, but it's a Corolla. Flat tires. It's pretty rough. So we're just gonna go ahead and get it loaded. Wet pavement going on. Bagged another one. That's 5 today. Plus we ran four auction cars. So we're gonna sign out, man. We got a little audience right here. There's always an audience. We got that one off that property and heading toward the yard. And I've had comments about me wearing gloves, and I've never commented on it before. I try to wear gloves. The only problem is when you're doing these impounds, it's just one more thing that takes time. I'm already videoing every load, running cameras. I got the cameras rolling before I even get there. Most of the time I got the camera set up. I don't have time to set cameras up and get beautiful shots. All I can do is just pull up to the car and jump out and load. That's how you do impounds. You don't waste no time fiddling around with gloves. I have been cut, hurt my hands, had numerous problems with my hands, but it's one of those things you got to get a hook on that car, or you wasted your ride over there. Every second counts doing this, and I'm in a slower truck right now. This truck here is a slower truck. I do try to wear gloves in the UD. It's a lot faster. There's not so much issues with getting set up and getting my angle right on the load. I can back right up and just about load any car anywhere, all-wheel drive or whatever it is, and get it loaded on that UD, and in a minute and a half, anything I can load in a minute and a half. This truck here is a lot. It's not a lot, but it's slower than that. So I'm already at a deficit as far as time goes in a different truck. So gloves are just one more thing that I have to have. Now, if I'm picking up cars that are burned up or wrecked, stuff like that, debris, I'll put gloves on. I wash my hands probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 times a day. I constantly wash my hands throughout the day. It's just what I do. Anyway, that's enough yapping. We're going to head to the yard. Anyway, peace.